among you is A and A plus? What's her name?
Eliana.
Assalamu alaikum.
Hi guys.
आ जाओ अंदर.
Hi guys. I'm not going to sleep right now. We got it.
Thank you.
We are Assalamualaikum guys. I got all A pluses. My aunt, my teachers, and my older sister helped me of getting these. Who's hosting the party is my other aunt Isabella.
Yay! Congratulations. I love you.
I love you.
Stay successful. Ameen summa ameen.
My cousins are coming. They all got A pluses too.
Yay!
Up the I know. Okay.
Assalamu alaikum. Who among you is A and A plus? Wow! Congratulations. Stay successful. Ameen summa ameen. I love you all. Okay, enjoy your meal hosted by me. I love you all. Elian. Elian. Ice cream. For kids only, not for me. What happened to you? What happened to your leg?
I'm doing the 1 foot challenge.
अच्छा आ जाओ. 1 foot challenge है? Okay. बेटे कौन गिर जाएगी? आइसक्रीम गिर जाएगी. Okay. Okay. What's her name?
Eliana.
And his name is Elian.
Yeah. That's so cool.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's nice.
Okay.
Taking your milk thing.